Hi friends, today we are going to learn the concept of stashing. Stashing is a storing the something safely in hidden or secret place. If you go to the official document of the Git, here Git stash the changes in a dirty work directory away. If you see the description, the use the git stash when you want to record the current state of the working directory and index. But you want to go back to the clean working directory, the command saves your local modification away and revert the working directory to match the head command. I'm going to justify this description. If you go to the like a repository, local repository, if you see here git status that my working tree is clean. If you do the some changes, go to the VS Code terminal. I'm modifying the some changes here. Right here function called get manager request comma response return response return response dot status 200 dot json of message of got manage like I'm right written a dummy code here. After this, go to the terminal git status. First check the git status. I have written some modifications. Like I have did some modifications in the manage service.js. But that something I have missed here. Before going to the writing this function, like before going to write this function, I have to write the something to the like admin service.js. After this only, I am going to write these changes. But for that sake, I am going to store these changes into the some secret place. If you want to store these changes into the secret place, see, I'm going to use this into the git stash. Only the git stash. If you directly use the git stash, it will save the working directory. Like what you have did the changes, it will save in the secret place. If you see this in the git stash list, there is a command called git stash list. That font will increase. If you see the CLS CLS git stash. If you see the git stash list that I have saved the changes here like secret place. If you go to the git status once again, we are nothing have with that we don't have the changes like previously what we have changed that manage service.js. If you go to the VS Code also here that get manage is not there here. If you want to apply the again git status apply that commit. This one is the ID, like 0 is the ID. Index you can call it as index also, you can call it as ID also. If you want to apply this this again it will come that modification is come restored. Like restore means again it will apply to the our repository. If you see the status, git status, we got the changes again. If you go to the here, we got the changes here. Get manage also we got. If you want to, if you see the git stash list, cut CLS, do the CLS git stash list, we have these changes again. But if you want to remove here also, like git status, there is a command called drop. Using this drop command, you can remove the list, like what the changes, what the saved changes is saved here. We can remove this. After removing, you can check the git stash list also. That changes is like the saved uncommitted changes is removed. If you go to the once again git status, git status. The changes is still there. If you want to stash this, if you want to stash this, you can use the git stash again. That saved the working directory and index. If you see the git stash list, we have the content, like we have the again that saved content. If you want to do something, if you want to do some more changes, you can create and one more branch like git branch, develop branch. I'm going to create here git checkout develop branch. If you want to see the how many branches are there, you can using the git branch. You can git checkout branch. If you see the branches, I'm in the git checkout develop branch. I'm switch to the develop branch. If you change into the brand git branch, I'm in the develop branch. If you go to here in this branch, I'm going to change the some category service dot file here. Removing this here. Get update. Okay, add category we don't have. We can do this add category or create category. Create category. Category here. I'm writing the request comma response. Request comma response. Return the response. Return response dot status of 201 dot json. Here I'm writing the message called category created. Category created successfully. Successfully. After this creating the category, if you check the status, git status, git status, some category service dot modification done in the category service dot js. If you go to the if you add this into the staging area, we are going to use the git add dot. If we do commit or if you see the status once again, modification is in the staging area. If you cls git commit added create category in create added create category in category file category service file. After committing, check the status. Working tree is clean now. If you go to the once again the main branch, git checkout main. You check the branch. I'm in the main branch now. If you come to the VS Code, here category service dot file, there is a no create category. If you want that create category, we are going to merge that. Git merge that develop branch. After merging, once check the VS Code, we got the create category. If you check the log also, once again, git git log hyphen one line. See, added the create category in the category service file. We got this from the develop branch. If you want to remove that branch, we can remove that branch. Git branch doing the CLS git branch hyphen d develop. This is used to remove the branch. To remove or delete the branch or delete the developed branch. See, um, things. I have written some commit. If you check the branches, okay. To delete the branch, git branch hyphen d develop and d develop. After deleting, once check the branches. Okay, main function is main branch is there. Only main branch is available. That if you check the stash, git stash list, git stash list. On the git stash list, we have the one saved content, like one saved, unchanged, uncommitted contents. If you want to pop this, git stash pop. Pop means it will do the both, like it will apply the changes. It will apply the what we have saved in the while doing the git stash, and it will delete this saved, like it will delete here this one also, like in the list of the stashes it will delete. If you do the pop, see we got the changes, and this one dropped means deleted. At one single shot we have did the apply and deleted. If you see the status cls, if you see the status, its status, we got the changes into the manage service.js. If we go to the code, like code vs code terminal, vs code, if you see the manage service.js, we have the get manage. If you see here diff also, git diff difference we have added in this commit, this one only. That function get manage request comma response return the response status. After adding, after applying the git stash apply, we will made into the staging area. Git add dot after adding we are going to do the commit. Git commit hyphen m added get managed in manage service file. After committing, if you want to push, if you check the status, no working tree is clean. Git push. After pushing, once come to the remote repository, GitHub. After git crash course 2, 28 commits here. Added create category in the category service file. Added get manage in the manage service file. If you see this one we have added get manage function. After this, here if you see here added create category, this one we have create category function we have added. That's all friends, we have completed the stashing also. We have completed a lot more concepts in the GitHub, Git and Git crash course. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.